Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Knife in Murder Mystery 2. This legendary knife is a prized possession for many players due to its distinctive look and limited availability. While it was once obtainable through special in-game events, the primary method for acquiring it today is through careful and strategic trading with other members of the community. Let's dive into the details. In the past, items like the Ghost Knife were released during exciting Halloween events within Murder Mystery 2. During these events, players would participate in special game modes and complete various tasks to earn event-specific currency. This currency allowed them to progress through different reward tiers, eventually unlocking exclusive items such as the Ghost Knife. These events are a fantastic way to get unique collectibles. Effective battlefield tactics are essential for victory. You'll deploy your heroes on a grid-based map, carefully considering their attack range, damage type, and defensive capabilities. Understanding hero synergies, such as combining a tank with a healer, and exploiting class advantages against specific enemy types will give you a significant edge. Remember to manually activate your heroes' unique skills at opportune moments to turn the tide of battle. The Ghost Knife's legendary rarity means it is not an easy item to come by, so patience is key. When trading, always double-check the current market values using trusted resources. Don't be afraid to negotiate or offer a combination of items to make your trade more appealing. With a bit of effort and smart trading, you can add this iconic knife to your collection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.